Today I am going to explain clause. Clause is a part of a sentence. Just like phrase, clause is a part of a sentence. But a clause has one subject and also has one finite form. There are two kinds of clauses. One is main clause, another is subordinate clause. Main clause is independent, but subordinate clause is dependent. In this video, you will get the complete description. So this is Umaran Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel. Let's learn clauses from sentences. I know what he wants. Here this is one sentence. I know is one part, another part what he wants. Okay, I know it has complete thought. What he wants has not complete thoughts. That means it doesn't have complete thought. And this part is introduced by WH word what he wants. There is one subject he and finite for wants. That means one predicate, subject and predicate. And in this part, I know there is one subject and predicate. What he wants, another part, there is also subject and predicate. Okay. The clause, that means there are two clauses. One is I know, another is what he wants. In the second phrase, what he wants, introduced by WH word, and which WH word it is introduced, or which word it is introduced, that word it acts here as one connector, that means conjunction. So it is called subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction, and the phrase what he wants is called subordinate clause. Okay, and I know is main clause. I know what he wants. The boy who stole your bicycle is Tilak. The boy who stole your bicycle. Here, who stole your bicycle is used to describe the boy, one noun. Okay, and who stole your bicycle? It is just like one sentence. It has one subject and also one finite form. Who is subject and stole is finite form. Who is used for the boy, right? So, and who stole your bicycle, modifying the noun the boy, is used to modify noun the boy, right? So who stole your bicycle is it is just like one sentence, and but it doesn't have complete thought, complete sense, right? So it is one subordinate clause, and that subordinate clause introduced by the word who, that is one subordinating conjunction. Okay, and here the boy is Tilak. The boy is Tilak is the main clause here. It is the main, two clauses are there. The boy is Tilak, main clause. Who stole your bicycle? This is subordinate clause. He solved the sum as if it was easy. He solved the sum as if it was easy. It has complete thought. He solved the sum. It has complete sense. As if it was easy. It has no complete thought, complete sense. To get the complete thought, this clause depends on the first clause, that is he solved the sum. So it is called dependent clause. Okay, and he solved the sum is independent clause, and also it is called main clause. The clause which depends on another clause to get the meaning, that is called dependent clause or subordinate clause. That means in this sentence it has main clause and also subordinate clause, and this subordinate clause in the last sentence, as if it was easy. Okay, how solve the sum? As if it was easy. It acts as an adverb. Okay, so what you get in the sentences, you get two clauses. One is main clause, another is subordinate clause, introduced by subordinating conjunctions. Here, some common subordinating conjunctions. List of common subordinating conjunctions. These are after, before, once, although, as if, as long as, because, still, even if, even though, if only, if, in order to, rather than, since, so that, now that, unless, until, when, whenever, where, whereas, wherever, while, etc. are used as subordinating conjunctions to introduce subordinate clause. Okay, there are another more words also. That means what you get, there are in a sentence there are two clauses. One is main clause, another is subordinate clause. And subordinate clause functions different kinds of clauses. Okay, in the first sentence, I know what he wants. I know what he wants. It answers the question what. It acts here just like one object of sentence. That means object means that is one noun. So this is noun clause. That means one clause is noun clause. The boy who stole your bicycle is Tilak. Here, who stole your bicycle is subordinate clause, and here it is used to modify noun the boy. So it acts as an adjective. This subordinate clause acts as an adjective. That means there is one noun clause, another one adjective clause. He solved the sum as if it was easy. As if it was easy acts as an adverb here. So another clause is adverb clause. That means in a sentence, what you are getting? You getting one main clause, another subordinate clause. And subordinate clauses function as a noun clause, as adjective clause, as adverb clause. Okay, and that means what you get? One subordinate clause. The definition of a subordinate clause. Subordinate clause doesn't express a complete thought and cannot stand by itself. It depends on another clause. Main clause is what? Expresses a complete thought, can be used on its own as a sentence. So in overall what you get? A clause is a part of a sentence. A clause is a group of words that has a subject and a predicate. In the predicate part, there is one finite form. In the both clauses, in the main clause and in the subordinate clause, there is subject and finite verb. That means there are three subordinate clauses. One is noun clause, another adjective clause, next one adverb clause. In the next video, you will get the detailed explanation of clauses, noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. I hope you got the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Do not forget, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.